Canada or Australia for your post-study career. Let's compare visas, work rights, and residency paths so you can make an informed choice. Canada's post-graduation work permit lets graduates stay and work to gain crucial local experience. PGWP duration depends on your program length, from 8 months up to 3 years. To qualify, you must complete an eligible program at a designated Canadian institution. Top Canadian industries hiring graduates include tech, healthcare, engineering, and finance.
Canadian work experience can boost your profile for express entry permanent residency.
Australia's temporary graduate visa, called the 485, allows international graduates to stay and work after study. The 485 visa offers 2 streams, graduate work and post-study work, with different durations. Post-study work stream allows up to 2-4 years depending on degree level and location. Your field of study and skill shortages can affect work opportunities and future residency options in Australia. Both countries value local work experience, a key factor for employment and immigration pathways. Canada uses express entry. Australia relies on a points-based system. Both weigh education, work, and language skills. Canada awards bonus points for Canadian work and study, helpful for recent grads seeking PR. Australia's skilled migration points favor young professionals, advanced degrees, and in-demand occupations. The right choice depends on your career goals and life priorities. Both countries offer valuable opportunities for your future.